You live in a board house. Oh, girl pay rent for board house. Me not understand the blood clot settings there. Rent for board house? Why you not going to rent one wall house? Me live in a blood clot wall house. Yeah, me live own a comfort, 1 bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. You don't have a bathroom and you don't have a kitchen. There's a difference. Since you want to in a talking to me, I mean I really like the talking to me because right now my finger them a shape me. My nerviness, trust me, I just eat it and once I want to see someone I do not know. And me not mad no, because I say me not at my talking. I'm a friend of Mario. Yeah, I'm a friend of Mario and she not stop Mario. And take it to the Lord in prayer since you not do nothing because you not blood clot bad girl and that must say. And if we do something, I just stop post and stop in a talk is a name a long caption there. Because people are sending me and I can't matter for read because you still not make no sense. She trick do. She attacked me for comments on that thing. She strong black me when. No long she black me and my friend them. We no need for black girl. All of them all are black me. Me no need for black girl. Who stop you and that Ashley girl if every friend? We busy about yeah Ashley. We not busy about none now no. True say big dog our friend, big dog our Dana it a kill no. Is what happen. No, what the fuss? Look how much money you fuck. Why you big dog alone? You want put up back of her? Eh? Why you want to see like you want to start Gladiator, Spartacus and 300? Why you just feel like say you just want to be gods and kings of Exodus? Why you not go? Why you never tell me say them actress show that you want to do? Me not understand you all now. God no, me the writers are try Agnes understand you. I can't. God no. And me I tell you again, go suck your mother.